Here we go. Here is your work for today. I'm not sure why it's not showing my face, but I guess you'll just get to hear me today. So here we go for today, Monday. I hope that you're all doing well and had a good weekend. Morning meeting is share your favorite morning meeting game on a Seesaw video. We haven't really played a lot of games, so I'm wondering if you had games from last year that you like that would give me some ideas. Writing, you're going to finish the story map from last week. So if you're not sure what that is, go to classwork. And then you can click right there on story map. Let's go back to here. Actually, we'll stay here. This has been labeled wrong, but I'm going to call it 925. Sorry, 928. Math, you've got a Unit 1 pretest. So it's a pretest. It doesn't mean that you have to know everything on there, but if you click here, just try it on your own. I don't want any help from anybody on it. Reading, you've got a video and form on author's purpose right there, so watch the video and answer the questions. Science, whoops, I should say social studies, but social studies, complete the social studies assignment by Wednesday. So I've got one here for you to do. So remember that when you come on Thursday, this week is a 2-day week for you. When you come on Thursday, I will reward those that are getting their work done. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you. Have a good day.